What's going on, you guys? My name is Ben Can, and today we're going to be installing Aldan American's coilovers and shocks on my car, so I'm super stoked. Huge shout out to Garrett at Aldan American for hooking them up. I'm super excited to install them, so let's get to it. Alright guys, let's go take it on its first ride around the block. Yeah, this thing rides so much different. I don't know how to explain it. It just feels so good. Oh my god. It's like a new car. But I really need to get tires. That's the thing that's like really hurting my performance right now. Like there's no traction. You can't really push the car too hard. But the suspension really makes me want to upgrade my tires. But that's the thing, it's like I really like the aesthetics of my tires, but I really want to go around corners, so I don't know. And I don't have money for tires either, so, and the tires I'm running right now, they're pretty expensive for what they are. I got them for $200 a whole set. And that was it. That was like freaking awesome. Some old guy gave them to me. He's like my grandpa's friend, so that was really nice of him. I don't have it too stiff right now. I have it like what they recommend, so 4 to 5 clicks. I mean, it's a little bumpy, but I don't want it like a normal ride. Like I want to be somewhat performance oriented with this car. Good tip for everyone is never speed in your neighborhood. Like you don't want to be that guy that everyone knows you and they know where you live. Like you just shouldn't do that. Like if you're gonna speed, go somewhere that's isolated and no one knows you. I don't know how well you're gonna pick up the exhaust. Like hopefully you can hear me. I'm using this new mic that I got. It's like a lavalier mic, so it's like right here. This thing rides nice. Like I feel like if someone was sitting passenger, they wouldn't really understand. And but for me, the driver, it's freaking nice. We're gonna go head to this little windy area by my neighborhood. It's by a golf course, and should be pretty sick. Test out its handling skills. So I'm supposed to take this car to the alignment shop, but I don't really have the money right now. And I'm gonna be doing the Shelby drop soon. That's what I want to do. So it's gonna drop me more, so I'm gonna have to raise up the coilovers, but I'll get more performance out of it. That's something that's not too expensive to do. Like I bought the template to do it, but I still have to modify the, I think it's the upper control arm that I need to move some holes or something. I'm not too sure. I have to look into it. secret right now. That wasn't full throttle though. Just having a little fun. Haven't driven my car in a couple days. Or actually a couple of weekends. If you guys don't know, that video took me like 2 weekends to do. Like, I'm a full-time student and they don't allow me to bring my car on campus, so it's literally I have to come home and then I only have like 2 days to work on my car. So if you blow the video or you don't fix your car, like that's it. You can't post the video, so I'm kind of screwed. Next year will be better because I'll be able to have my car on campus. But I don't know, it's just a screwed up situation. But it makes you appreciate your car a lot more when you don't drive it every day. Like, you get used to it. Now when I hop into it, it feels like it's freaking fast. Of course it's gonna get dark on me. That's like the worst thing to the cameraman. When you run out of light, this freaking sun, you don't have all day. I actually spent it today mostly on just painting my wheels. I think you guys saw that in my last shot I did. I got painted them with this graphite spray, but the thing is, when it gets wet, it totally like gets some like weird, I don't know what to call it, like white spots on it. So it totally screwed it up. So I resprayed everything and then I put a matte clear coat. I don't really like the shininess on it, but I guess it kind of looks like a old school mags with like Gibbs oil on it. So it's pretty cool. But a long time ago, my wheels were like just like light gray, and I don't know, now looking at it, it looks horrible. Like making them a little bit darker gray makes like a good like contrast, I think. So I'm pretty happy with it. But we're coming up to the windy part of the road. Can't go too fast because I don't know, there's this one kid at my high school. You can go. And he went off the cliff up by here. Like he went to like this whole like reservoir up in the hills. It's freaking landed at the bottom, like rolled like 20 times. It's freaking crazy. And I don't want to repeat him. Like he was in like a Passat or something, like you're gonna be chilling. But in this car, if I went off a cliff, fuck that'd be so bad. I'm like the smoking tire right now. Like I'm waiting for like this other car to get some like space between me so I don't catch up with them. But let's go do it. This is actually probably not too smart right now because my tires are cold as hell. Yeah, this thing corners so good. This thing is so fun. So the reason why this video took so long to do, especially, is because I'm also doing a video for Aldan American, their YouTube, and a more in-depth install. So it's like kind of like the edit I put before, but with me talking and giving step-by-step instructions basically. So if you're in the market for Mustang suspension, go check out that video. I don't know if it's gonna come out like a couple days from now, but I still need to edit a couple parts on it, so this video will probably come out first. But the owner of the company is like super nice guy. Like I really like working with them, and I'm more than happy that he hooked me up with the suspension. Like I don't have much money right now, like with school and just like filming on the weekends. Like YouTube makes me like a little money, but like just enough for like gas to film these videos. Like I don't know, like I invest all the money I have into what I do, mostly camera parts and camera stuff and just having fun, you know. Like I don't blow all my money on luxury clothes or stuff like that. Like I don't know, but this thing is fun to drive. This is awesome. But my dad and I adjusted the drums on this car, and I guess it hasn't been adjusted for probably 3 years, so feels a lot better. But it'd be cool to do discs at all 4 corners on this car when I get the money, of course. Like my goal for this car is to just get it to handle, you know, like just put all the money into that. We're gonna head up to the view above my street real quick. We'll get a little bit better lighting. So I should probably conclude this video. We're losing complete light and my camera's not too good in the dark. But stay tuned for more videos. Sorry about the lag. I know it's just been crazy. I'm on spring break right now, so I'm actually going to be taking this car down to San Diego. So that's going to be its longest journey. Tomorrow, actually no, Monday actually. I'm going to meet up with Craig 909. I don't know if you know him on YouTube. He has a pretty decent sized channel and he has a cool truck, and we're gonna go film, hang out, check out the cars down there. Should be a fun time, so stay tuned for that. All right guys, take care.